How are you? I'm so happy to see you by this video. Today we have to see about the continuation of a C language. Already we know the what are the usage whether we all learn software coding. After we all discuss about the introduction of a C language, today it's a sample program. That's it. Yeah, this lessons has detailed description of a C language structure. Here in the program, what are the elements we are using from top to bottom, and what are the components, and what are the keywords, what are the priorities description we can to see this here. Got it? Yeah. In this particular video, we have to see a sample code of a C program called Hello World. Let's look into various part of above C program. That is, what are the parts in that above C program we have to see, and commands in C. What are the types of commands we are using in C language? These are in a video tutorial. That's it. This is a sample program. You can to see these are a commands, right? Author, Mannu Nandhu Edu, and date and description. This is the command enter. Hash include stdio.h, InterMain, and a print of hello world and return 0. In this video, what are the usage of a command line, then this line, and what are the purpose we are using an int main and printf and return 0. What are the usage of these keywords in the program? Let's only we have to see this. Before the output of this program is this is just print a hello world. That's it. Then what is mean by commands? Yeah, let me see. Commands is something an understanding codes. It's never contribute any execution on a program, but it will clear cut off explanation for understanding for future purpose. While a programming, we can to use many integers, data structure. We don't know after some years or some months after we have to recollect now. We don't know what's the purpose we are using here this keyword or variable, or what is the type of variable. We can't to know how to clear it. So in this program we can to use a command line. It's like a it's like how to say, which is helpful to a developer to understand the coding. That's it. Now already see, these are a command line. Okay, these are a command line, and this now we are to see this hash include stdio.h. Yeah, stdio.h is a standard for input and output. Standard input and output. This is the explanation for stdio.h. It allows us to use of some commands which include a file called stdio.h. Already we having some files on stdio.h. In this below we have some files. We want to execute these files for our program. That means I just send a one input and you should give a one output. That's a program. It's this function file will be under this program, this name. So we have to include this header file to come to this program, because we have to give some inputs and we getting some outputs, right? So we have to include this thing. Every program, majority of program, we use this header file. Got it? Even without this also we can execute some other program, which is a important thing. I have a question for you. In a last you can do command. Okay, in the program, which part is more important? Without that part we can't do anything in that program. What is the main part? Just find that and tell to me. And then next line, int or void main, that is an return value which gives the explanation in this while. Okay, that means it is a return value. If we want to get something, right, even though int or void, that only thing is a return value explanation. Is something in variable we have to return, we have to int, or something in character or something, we have to use void. Void is commonly we can use anywhere. Particularly we have to return some more value numbers are, right, we have to use integer, int main. Otherwise we have to commonly use a void main. It's a common. Got it? Next, what is the main? This is the starting line. Wherever the compiler start to execute the program, the first thing execute this line. That means hash include stdy.h. No, int main. The program will start to execute from this line only. It will goes to this line, this line, this line. This printf or this return we have to already inbuilt in stdy.h. At the time we have to execute. Oh, okay, yeah, already having stdy.h and recall the already files which is in std.h and come again to execute other lines. So program will start at this line only. Okay, int main. From int main only we have to start. Got it? So this is an what I can't to say that word. You have to uh, say that. Okay, already here in the slide is that slide having an answer. Got it? Then braces. That means curly brackets. What are the use of curly brackets in this program? We have to use two curly braces. Got it? Yes. One is open and closed. What are the usage of curly braces in this program? Every program after the main we have to use curly braces, but because of we have to intimate the InterMain function. Main function will start from here to here. I want to use all the statement as a group. That means use it to group all statements are curly braces which shows how much of main function has its a scope. That's it. Okay, in next line we have to use a printf. What's meant by printf? Just simple, whatever I given inside the printf I want get it as a in output. Got it? Printf double quotation is the inside Mannu Nandhu Edu means it will execute the same thing in the output. That's it. It is a function in C which prints a text on the screen, or it is another predefined function of C which is used to display the text string in the screen. That's it. So return 0. At the end of the main function returns value is 0. That's it. There is no one to, it's a null. That's it. There is no need to return anything because already I print a hello world, right? So that's simple. So thank you so much. And one more thing, you have to find which part is more important while executing a C program. How to find and tell to me. Okay, thank you so much.